Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Karen Norwood Travel. We're going to go down to Perry Agri Center and see a little festival called Vintage Market Days. It's going on yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So we're going to go check it out and see if it's any good, and I'll let you know. Vintage Market Days was held at the Georgia National Fairgrounds. It cost about $10 to get in on Friday and Saturday, and then $5 on Sunday. Kind of reminded me of like a craft festival, an antique store, and a flea market all together. So it was really cool. It was indoors, so it was climate controlled, which was really nice. But they had pretty much everything you can imagine: clothing, antiques, jewelry, goodies, arts and crafts. The website said there were over 100 exhibitors there, but it looked like a lot more than that. Alright, so we checked out that festival and it was really cool. It's basically like your typical craft festival, but just indoors, which was really nice. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.